this coming months, this year of 2026 will be a very blessed and prosperous year for all of us. I'm really looking forward to working with you all to make sure that we build a community where everyone feels a part of it and no one is left behind. I know these are very challenging times. World has become a very strange place because of geopolitics and everything, rising inflation. A lot of people are finding it difficult to make their ends meet. As your Member of Parliament, as representative of the Government of Canada, working under the leadership of our Prime Minister, Right Honourable Mark Carney, I want to assure you that we are all working very hard to make sure that we can build one of the fastest growing economy here in Canada so that all our workers, all our citizens are successful. I know with the recent trade war and the upcoming CUSMA, many people are very anxious what's going to happen. We are working hard, and as you all know, the Prime Minister has been out in different countries making sure that we can increase our trade with other countries like Qatar, China, and Indonesia, many other parts of the world. I think this is the need of the hour, that we make sure that we diversify our trade. We have been dependent upon US for a very long time. I think now is the time. We have learned that that relationship which existed between Canada and US will no longer be the same one as it has been for many decades. So we have to make sure that we as Canadians build our own place, our own mark in this difficult circumstances on the world map. And our Prime Minister is rightly working on that. I hope all of you must have listened to his speech in Switzerland, the World Economic Forum. He has laid out what Canada will be doing and what Canada needs to do. If you haven't, please make sure that you spend some time to watch that. And as your Member of Parliament, I have been connecting with you to make sure that we can look into what are the local issues, what is on your mind. So as I head back to Ottawa, the session starts this Monday, we can start working on the issues which are on your minds, making sure that everyone's voice is heard. It has been 10 years serving this community. I know, like right now where we are, this part has been added to the riding in the last election, but not very far from here. I have lived for 5 years also. So this is all home. And now this riding of Scarborough Centre, Don Valley East, is a home to all of you, and I want to assure you that I'm working very hard on behalf of each and every one of you to make sure that we can continue to work together and build a country where everyone feels part of it. People from different parts of the world have come and called Canada home so that they can build a successful future for their next generations. So let's continue to work. Let's make sure that these coming months and coming weeks will be better than what has happened in the months and years before us. If you need any help in regards to federal issues, please feel free to get in touch with our constituency office. We have amazing team there who are working every day for all of you to resolve all the casework. So our office is located at the corner of Birchmount and Lawrence. It's open Monday to Friday. Please feel free to walk in and get your cases to the staff there. I am usually there Fridays because Parliament will be starting, but if you need to have a personal conversation with me, please call the office to book an appointment, and we will make sure that you will get the time to sit down so that we can hear what you have on your mind. So with that, I think we have a good entertainment planned for you for the next 90 minutes or so, and our MCs will take you through what's next. So thank you once again. Thank you for coming on this cold weather so that we can celebrate this year all, because we are all one family. So happy from my family to you. Happy New Year. All the best for the year 2026. I'm sure all of you will have a great year, and we will continue to work together as one community. Thank you. Over to Ijoma and Junior.